Okay, 5.6. Inverse trigonometric functions. Problem number 3 from the textbook says, find the exact value of the expression arctan 1. And so we can rewrite arctangent of 1 as the inverse tangent function at 1, and it's equal to some number. Well, if we take the tangent of both sides, we would get a different equation. So tangent of x equals 1. Now, in order to solve this equation, we have to find what x values do we plug in to this tangent function and get out at 1. Well, this is only possible when sine of x is equal to cosine of x. And here's why. Because tangent of x is equal to sine of x divided by cosine of x. And here's why. Because tangent of x is equal to sine of x divided by cosine of x. And if we bring down our right hand side, we can multiply both sides by cosine of x, and so we would get the equation sine of x equals cosine of x. Well, this is only true at pi divided by 4 and 5 pi divided by 4. So visually, this is pi divided by 4, and this is 5 pi divided by 4. Well, apologies. In order to find the second angle, we have to take pi divided by 2 minus pi divided by 4. We have to take pi minus pi divided by 4. So this is pi, and this is pi divided by 4. In order to find this angle, we have to take 180, or pi minus pi divided by 4. Well, this is the same as 4 pi divided by 4 minus 1 pi divided by 4. That's 3 pi divided by 4. So these would be the two values. And we could also check our answers with the calculator. Now for part B, it says the sine inverse function of 1 over the square root of 2. So let's just rewrite this again. And so we can say that sine of some number x has to equal 1 over the square root of 2. And let's rationalize the denominator. And so we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 2. And we would get the square root of 2 divided by 2 equals sine of x. But sine is equal to the square root of 2 divided by 2 when x equals pi over 4 and x also equals three pi over 4. Well, this one would be 5 pi over 4. I'm sorry, because this is the first increment. The period of sine x is 2 pi, but whenever it keeps the same positive value, it's 180 degrees. And so 180 degrees is equivalent to adding pi to this. And that's what we did in this case. And so these would be our two solutions.